how to share template in Notion 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Notion and how you're going to be sharing a template in the easiest and most simplest way for yourself. So, to start things off, first of all, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off with Notion right away and get proper pricing and plans discounts. Now, to share a template, let's say right over here on the left hand side, I have these two templates, right? Now, if I want to share this calendar template that I've created, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click on share right up here. And what I can choose to do is I can publish it to the web where I can create a website with Notion and show it to anyone in the public, internet space. Or I can share it with a specific person by writing in their email over here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write in this email. Okay. And once you write in this email, what happens from there is it's going to recognize the proper contact. You're going to click on enter. And once you do that, there you can see, you can simply click on invite, and there we go. So now we've sent an invite to this person and shared our template with them. So that is pretty much about it on how you can share a template. One more way that you can do this is basically just copy the link and send it to anyone. And that is basically how you can share a template in Notion. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. That is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.